guys, my name is Taijah Marie, and today I just wanted to sit and chill and do makeup. This week has been extremely hard for me, extremely hectic. I just thought there would be nothing more relaxing than just sitting and chilling, listening to music, and doing my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do like this video, consider subscribing to my new and growing channel and like this video. And leave a comment down below what you guys do when you're just under such high stress and just need to relax. I would love to hear what you guys do when you need to just unwind. All right, let's get this video started. So I've already gone through my skincare regimen and moisturizer and everything. So right now I'm just adding my primer by Milk Makeup. I've really been super excited about how far my skin has come since that last breakout. That last breakout was so bad. This is my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I'm really liking this formulation. NARS has always been doing a really good job. Like I said, life has been like super hectic. Like things are just being thrown at me from all angles. It's just so much. And for those who haven't met him, this is Ghost. He is my puppy. He is like 4 months old, I think. So he's really still a baby. And he's spending the day with mommy. I think it's really funny. I used to have a set way that I would do my makeup no matter what, every single time. And since I've been doing my makeup more and more like every day, because I'm always creating videos or taking pictures or something like that, I feel like I am not doing my makeup the exact same every day. I don't know why that is, but I've just noticed that. For setting powder, I'm using my Fenty Prime and Press, is that what it's called? For powder, I'm using my Fenty Pro Filter. To add some warmth to my face, I'm going into my Princess palette by Tarte. I've kind of concocted my own color because they said this palette was universal. This palette was not at all universal. So I end up making my own color. So it's a lot darker than the original color that was in the pan. Just for a little touch of color, I'm using Star from my Butter London palette. Since I'm like so absolutely terrible at doing eyelashes, I was debating whether I should go and just get them done professionally, like you know, the single lashes, like individual lashes. Alright, and that was it for this look, guys. I really do hope you all enjoyed this video. I just wanted to sit and chill and do makeup with you guys. Like I said, life has been hectic and I really just wanted to sit and do my makeup. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing to my new and growing family and liking this video. Alright, see you guys in the next one.